Okay guys, so let's look at our core framework for these projects. As I said earlier, we are going to use Fast API to build these projects, and then this is the link to the documentation of this framework. So when you come here, this is the link to the documentation, and this is the link to the source code. I mean, the source code for this project. Actually, it is an open source project, so you can also contribute to it. As you can see, these are people's pull requests that will be considered and then merged later into the project. So anyone at all can contribute to it. That is provided you are good in Python. And it is built on Python version 3.7 and above, as it is stated here. Um, it have a lot of features, but these are few core features of it. It's very fast, fast to code, fewer bugs. It's easy to design application with it. Standard base. If you know more about Swagger UI or Open API, you know that this is standard based. So it is based on this schema to build. It is based on these APIs or this standard. So you have nothing to worry about. It follow the standard that we know about APIs.